to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how I make my Christmas scallops. Yep, that's right, Christmas scallops. Time to be festive. A little bit of seafood doesn't hurt. Here I've got a little bit of red chili, finely sliced up. I've got a green bell pepper or green capsicum. I've shaved that with a vegetable peeler. A little pinch of some finely grated pecorino cheese or parmesan cheese. I'll leave that up to you. A dash of fish sauce that can go straight in, and make sure you get it all over the bench. If you don't, you're not getting it right. Now I'm just going to clean that bench up and make sure everything is nice and clean. And I'm going to add in a dash of white pepper, not a lot, just a little bit. That can go straight in, and a little bit of white balsamic vinegar. Right, that can just go straight in over the top. It's going to be a little bit of a acid heavy dressing with this one, but don't worry, we're going to make up for that in a couple of seconds. Alright, so all we need to do now is get our scallops, and I'll put the scallops in the shell. We're going to dislodge those and put those into a bowl, just like I'm doing there, and that's going to be just for being able to transport them to our cooking vessel, which is going to be the barbecue. I already have that up and running and at a nice high heat. Stick of butter, just going to give that a bit of a what for on the hot plate, just like that. And scallops cooked in butter is perfect, and that richness is going to counteract with the acidity of our dressing. Put our scallops down just like I'm doing right there, and I'm cooking scallops. I found them at the right price, and when you find them at the right price, you come up with an idea, you come up with a recipe, it doesn't matter what. So we're going to put those down for around about 90 seconds. I've got the whole hot plate on at the moment. I've flicked off the right hand side of the burners. I'm just going to give those a little bit of a baste with that butter, like I'm doing right there. Flip that over. Yep, golden brown. We are done. All we have to do now is flip these over. We can actually turn the heat off and leave those for around about another 60 seconds. Those scallops are going to be cooked absolutely perfectly. Right, so we just remove those, put those straight back into a bowl. We can take those back inside, and let's get into plating up, which is the easy bit. I've already cleaned my shells. I gave them a bit of a rinse under some cold water. I put our little scallops into the shells again, and all we have to do is put this beautiful red green little vinaigrette or sauce over the top of the scallops, just like that. And before you know it, you have got KP's Christmas scallops. So quick and easy to do, and a little bit of a decadence for another crappy year of having to put up with COVID and all the rest of it. So just spoon that sauce in over the top, and you are done. I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is amazing, the flavour. Real nice sharp flavour. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like the video, hit the like button. Gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Really do appreciate it, and we're trying to grow the platform. We're trying to grow the channel. Hit the notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Leave a comment. I love reading them, love responding to them, and it helps with the channel, of course. More importantly, you want to learn how to make something quick, easy, a little bit festive like this. You need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll never miss another one of my videos again after these amazing Christmas scallops, and I will catch you next time. Bye!